like seafood with a kick, you're going to love this next recipe.
That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
A little shrimp on the menu today, hot and spicy shrimp, quick and easy. Two of my favorite things. Let's do it. You're gonna need some shrimp for this one, a little bit of salt, some butter, your favorite hot sauce, vegetable oil, and scallions. I've got a little bit of vegetable oil in my pan heating up, but in the meantime, here's my shrimp. I dried it with a paper towel. I'm just gonna salt it up, and I'm gonna put that over to the side because we're not ready for that yet. Over here, you want a big bowl. You've got butter in here and your favorite hot sauce ready to go. Put this to the side, but we start with our scallions that we chopped in advance. These go right in that oil, and we just want to brown these guys up. You can see the scallions, they started to get that toasty golden color. They're done. This took about 2 minutes. All we want to do now is just add the scallions to our butter and hot sauce. Slide this out, slide this in, and we're going to get our shrimp in here. Try to get it in your pan in a single layer because shrimp takes no time at all to cook. When it starts to turn pink, it's pretty much ready. When you put your shrimp in, if your pan starts to get a little dry, just add a little more oil. And after about 2 minutes, boom, start flipping those shrimp. You can see the shrimp cook through both sides pretty quick. This is 5 minutes. All I want to do is add this to my bowl with the scallions, the butter, and the hot sauce. Toss everything together so all the shrimp gets that mix of the melted butter, the spicy hot sauce, the crispy scallions, and that is it, people. Hot and spicy shrimp. It's so easy, and it's easy to get the recipe too. All you have to do is scan the QR code that you see there on your screen with your smartphone, and just like that, you've got the recipe and you can make it at home. Because remember, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Noray. Bon appetito.